Nope, now we're going to try to drive it out of there. Sitting on that one side over there. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I don't need your help. Fucking tree. Are we getting it? Oh yeah. It's like the 28th of June still. Fun, fun, fun. Yep. Damn thing had a hydraulic clutch, so I had to hook it up with a lever here because the hydraulic cylinder is bad down there. Hey! Can't start the freaking thing in gear. Check this shit out. This old fucking Hollander knows what we're doing, don't he? Yep. I did that all by myself. All by my lonesome. That's what you get when you're by yourself. Yeah, I broke my board up there. Hit on that damn tree. That's alright. I'll figure it out. You know, I thought this was a UPS, but I guess UPS is brown, not green. So I don't know what in the hell this thing is then. Now what I'll do is I'll shut this damn thing off and I'll put a board underneath the front of there. I'll put one of them long boards underneath there and then just push it when I want it. See, I built these wooden things for each of the corners back here. I built the frame right here. I did each corner like that. So